In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request time off in Homebase. Whether you're planning a vacation or just need a day to catch up on life, ensuring you properly request time off is essential for both personal and professional peace of mind. It's a straightforward process, but I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring you feel confident as you manage your schedule. First and foremost, you'll want to sign in to the web version of Homebase. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main interface. Now, depending on your usual workflow, you might head straight to the Requests section, or sometimes you might find it easier to navigate through the Dashboard. These areas house everything you need to manage your schedule, so becoming familiar with them is definitely beneficial. As you're exploring these sections, keep an eye out for the Request Time Off button. Typically, you'll find this handy feature nestled in the bottom right corner of the dashboard. It's designed to be easily accessible, underscoring the platform's user-friendly nature. Clicking on it sets things in motion, guiding you through the request process. Now, it's time to fill in your details. This part is crucial, as clarity here can save you a lot of hassles later. You'll start by specifying the dates you need off. Make sure to double-check your calendar before making these entries, as accuracy is key. From vacations to personal days, aligning your requested dates correctly ensures that you're conveying the right information. Next, if your request is date-specific, include the times you're planning to be away. This feature can be particularly handy if you need just a half day or a few hours off rather than an entire day. There's also a section for the category of your request. Whether it's a personal day, sick leave, or something else, selecting the appropriate category helps in managing your absence without any miscommunication. Once all these details are meticulously filled out, you'll proceed to click Add. This action submits your request, routing it to your manager for review. After your request is sent, all you have to do is wait. You'll receive a notification once your request is either approved or rejected. Keeping an eye on your notifications ensures you're promptly informed of any updates regarding your time off. So, there you have it. A seamless process for requesting time off using Homebase. As you become more familiar with these steps, managing your work-life balance becomes that much easier. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks for navigating workplace tools.